안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 임팩트 코리안입니다. 잘 지내시나요? 잘 지내시나요? How are you doing? 진심으로 행복하시길 바래요. 진심으로 행복하시길 바래요. Sincerely be happy all of you. 여러분 모두 행복하시길 바래요. Hope all of you be happy. I mean it. I want to be happy too. As well as you. 구독은 무료, 좋아요는 하트. Thank you very much. Let's start. Today I'm going to show you, wow, the numbers opposite. Sorry. Okay, here you are. Do you see h sound, consonant h? The special consonant h meets 그, 드, 즈, 브, 흐가 그, 드, 즈, 브 소리를 만나면 크, 트, 츠, 프로 sound changes. When h meets 즈, 즈 meets h, the sound changes to 츠. Here, when you write 좋지, 좋지, but when you read 좋지, 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 this 즈 sound changes to 츠. This is writing word. This is the sound of when you read. 쓸 때와 읽을 때의 소리가 달라요. h meets 즈. 좋지 changes to 츠, right? 좋지 means good. Here, 많지, 많지. But when you write 많지, 많지. But when you read 많지, 많지 means a lot. 젖히다, 젖히다. But when you read, 읽을 때는 젖히다, 젖히다, 젖히다 means bend, tilt. h meets 즈, 즈 meets h. So, h changes the sound. 즈 changes to 츠. Another one, h meets g or g meets h. The sound changes to k. The sound changes to k. Here, when you write, 쓸 때는 적합, 적합. When you read, 읽을 때는 적합, 적합, 적합. Fit means fit. When you write, 쓸 때는 넉넉히, 넉넉히, 넉넉히. But when you read, 읽을 때 넉넉히, 넉넉히, 넉넉히 means enough. Another one, not and go, not and go. But when you read 넣고, 넣고, 넣고 means put. See, 그 changes to 크, the sound changes, right? Here, 불히다, 불히다. This one's 불히다. When you read 불키다, 불키다. 그 meets 흐. 불키다, 불키다, 불키다 means blush. Here, h meets 즈, 좋지 changes to 츠, right? So, 많지, 많지, 많지. 젖히다, 젖히다, 젖히다. 적합, 적합, 적합. 넉넉히, 넉넉히, 넉넉히. 넣고, 넣고, 넣고. This is the sound when you read. This is When you write, you have to write like this. This is the sound. 붉히다, 붉히다, 붉히다 means blush. Special consonant h meets z. The sound changes ts. Special consonant h meets g sound. The sound changes to k. 적, g plus h, k. g plus h, k. h plus g, k. g plus h, k. Can you get it? h plus j, ts. This is the sound. This one you have to write like this. The black, you should write like black words. Green means the sound. Okay, the next one, number 3, b meets h. b meets h. The sound changes to p, p, p. When you write, 쓸 때는 합하다, 합하다. But the sound, when you read, the sound is 합하다, 합하다, 합하다. Means ed. Here, 접히다, 접히다. When you read, 접히다, 접히다, 접히다 means fold, fold. Here, 굽히다, 굽히다. When you read 굽히다, 굽히다, 굽히다 means bend. You should read b sound too. 넓히다, 넓히다. When you read 넓히다, 넓히다, 넓히다. The hidden letter is N, so widen, widen. Sorry about this. This is N. Widen, 넓히다, 넓히다, widen. The first one, h meets d, or d meets h. h changes to this sound into t or ts. When h meets d, when d meets h, the sound changes to t or ts. h plus d, right? d plus h, d plus h, h plus d. The order is not important. 순서는 상관이 없지만 두 consonant가 만나면 소리가 변해요. Here, 쌌다, 쌌다, 쌌다. But when you read 쌌다, 쌌다, 쌌다 means stack or pile. Here, 굿히다, 굿히다, 굿히다. When you read, the sound is 굳히다, 굳히다, 굳히다. Harden. Here, 닫히다, 닫히다, 닫히다. When you read, 닫히다, 닫히다, 닫히다. Close, close. Here, 넣다, 넣다. H meets d, right? H plus d sound. The sound is 넣다, 넣다, 넣다. Means put, put. Can you practice? This is really hard one. I'm going to read for you once more. You can do it. You can do it. Here, 좋지, 좋지, 좋지. Special consonant h meets g, d, z, b. They changes to k, t, t, p sound. 좋지, 좋지. Do you hear ch sound? 많지, 많지, 많지 means a lot. 젖히다, 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 bend or tilt. 흐 플러스 그, 적합, 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 fit. 넉넉히, 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 enough. 넣고, 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 put. 불키다, 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 blush. 그 plus 흐 changes to 크 sound. Right? Practice once more. 부 plus 흐 sound changes to 푸. 부 plus 흐 합하다, 합하다, 합하다. This is reading sound. Means ed. 접히다, 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 fold. 굽히다, 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 bend. 넓히다, 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 widen. This is N, sorry. 쌌다, 흐 plus 드, or 드 plus 흐. Sound changes to or 츠, right? 쌌다, 쌌다, 쌌다. Stack or pile. 굳히다, 굳히다, 굳히다. Green means reading sound. The black, you should write like black. 쓸 때는 검은색, 읽을 때는 green입니다. 굳히다, 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 harden. 닫히다, 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 close. 넣다, 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 put. This is very important. And it's hard to practice when you are foreigners. I know that, but you should practice more. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.